Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit. Na may 78 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Wala naman kaming in-house order. Ito po ang heads, cupping, head clean naman tayo. Linis wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink level namin ay tama lang. Base ink tank linis ng every Friday. Ground wire. Ito ang used ink. Unused ink. 30 cm film. Ito ang workload na per meter. Weekly consumption. Inventory. Magenta. Cyan. Black. Film. Powder. White ink. Yellow. Printer daily checklist. Maraming salamat po.